Hi, my name is Phil, and I'm going to run you through Windows 7 and creating users, which is a pretty easy thing to do. Basically everything on Windows 7 is really easy. So let's go to Start, Control Panel, and once we get in here, it's just starting up, so it should go a little bit slow. In here we want to go to User Accounts and Family Safety. And in here there are a lot of options, which is good. There are user accounts where you can change or add, or change your account picture, change your password, add or remove user accounts. Parental controls, I'll talk about that next. Let's go to user accounts. Alright, so this is me. I have a little person thing as my picture. If I wanted to change that, I'd go change my picture. If I wanted to change my password or remove it completely, I'd change here or remove here. Change my account name, I would go here, and account type. So if I wanted to be just regular old Joe Blow, non-administrator account type, then I would go here, and it would ask me for permission, and I would go as a standard user. But since I am the root user, I can't really change it because I'm always the administrator. And if I did change it, I wouldn't be able to make vital changes to my computer as time went on. And manage another account. I believe we'd go here to make a new user. And we have a guest account already. This comes standard with all Windows 7, or Windows, basically. If I wanted to turn it on, just click here, turn it on, and that guest account doesn't require a password or anything, but they can't access any of my vital stuff. And if I want to create a new account, you go here, create a new account. And account name, Joe Blow. He's a standard user. So let's go ahead and create the account. That means that, he can't access administrator privileges. And if it is Joe Blow, your son, then you set up parental controls. And let's go to Joe Blow. Updates. Goodness gracious, thank you. Okay, Joe Blow. It should be going anytime now. For parental controls, here we go. You have time limits, games, and allow block specific programs. Time limits, you can make it so that they have to get off the computer by a certain time, or they'll be logged out of the computer at a certain time. And you have this cool little chart here. So if you want them to, get off the computer around 8 o'clock every night, and it's just maybe they shouldn't be on the computer around 3 a.m. Maybe that's a good time to be on the computer? No, I don't think so. Let's give them a good 12 hours. Okay. Alright, now Joe Blow can get on the computer at 8 a.m. to 8 p.m. and he'll get logged off afterwards. You can also set parental controls for games that are in your computer. So, games, can he play games? Yes or no? He is non-existent, so he can't play games. Also, we have the allow and block specific programs. So if you had a program on your shell that you didn't want somebody to access on the other shell, like Joe Blow, then you would you would block that program. Alright, and those are on. This is parental control. It also makes it easier to control an account, because now it's not password protected, but it is parental control. So you can make it so that they can't access certain things anyway. And that's your basic user controls. Let's go back here, parental controls. User account name. Alright. So we have all that, and you can manage your credentials here. This is sort of a bit of a tangent off here. but maybe I'll talk about that some other time. So that was your basic user account controls and making user accounts.